With 2 global factory sites in Taiwan and China, we have printer fleets spread across many worldwide locations, including our print center, FQC OQC, plus packing workstations. Getting ahead of printer breakdowns, malfunctions, and bad dots help us maintain fast-paced manufacturing productivity. We manufacture at full capacity, working to ensure on-time delivery of finished goods. Unanticipated printer breakdowns or printhead bad dots slow us down and have a big impact on our productivity. For example, 1 hour of production downtime means we face a 12.5% loss in productivity each day. Controlling our risks and minimizing downtime is key to improving operations. However, using multiple tools to monitor cross-branded printers is complex, time-consuming, and undesirable for efficiency. Is there a solution to enhance printer management and keep your global manufacturing business moving forward? There is. The SOTI Connect unified interface with one dashboard to manage cross-branded printers can make a huge difference. SOTI Connect remote printer management software with our advanced printers makes it easy to set up, deploy, and manage global printer fleets at any time from anywhere. We can update settings and optimize cross-branded printer performance from a single dashboard. We can also schedule maintenance needs in advance before the point of failure. We are also able to identify root causes of printer breakdowns and deliver text and email alerts so stakeholders can act quickly. SOTI Connect enables 24/7 data collection, providing real-time, valuable printer status to ensure printers perform reliably, and it helps you make intelligent decisions based on the data. For instance, we proactively build a maintenance plan based on the printhead odometer and printer mileage data. With data-driven intelligence, we are empowered to make better decisions that streamline our operations. Are you ready to improve your industrial manufacturing operation? Contact us today to get started.